Now the next question, question number 6. In a business, Ram and Deepak invest 3/5 and 2/5 of the total investment. 40,000 is the total investment. Calculate the amount invested by each. I repeat the question. Question 6. In a business, Ram and Deepak invest 3/5 and 2/5 of the total investment. If rupees 40,000 is the total investment, calculate the amount invested by each. So what Ram did, Ram invest 3/5 of 40,000 and Deepak 2/5 of 40,000. Then we have to calculate the total investment by each. Now we'll start solving it. So in a business, total investment is equal to rupees 40,000. Okay. So total investment equals to 40,000. Now next, Ram's investment equals to 3/5 of 40,000. Okay, Ram's investment 3/5 of 40,000, that is 5 ones are 5, 8s are 40, 0, 0. Okay, now multiply the numerator. 3 multiplied by 8,000, so 3 8s are 24. So rupees 24,000 invested by Ram. So this is what we have to find. It was asked calculate the amount invested by each. Each means Ram and Deepak. Ram investment rupees 24,000 from 40,000. Now we'll find that Deepak's investment. So Deepak investment. So Deepak invested 2/5 of 40,000. Now same again, 5 ones are 5, 5 8s are 40, 0, 0, 0. 8,000. So 5 ones are 5, 8,000s are 40,000. Now multiply the numerator. 2 into 8,000, that is rupees 16,000. So here Ram's investment is 24,000 and Deepak's investment is 60,000. Okay, from this total investment 40,000. Just you have to see the fractional number 3/5 of 40,000 and here 2/5 of 40,000. Do the cancellation, whatever answer you will get, multiply, you will get the answer done. Now the next question is question 8. See, a picture was marked at rupees 90,000. It was sold at 3/4 of marked price. See, marked is 90, 90 is written, rupees 90 is the marked price. And it was sold for 3/4 of 90. What was the sale price? So it was sold by 3/4 by marked price, that will be the selling price. So firstly we'll try to solve this and write all the points in the solution. A picture was marked at rupees 90. So we'll write marked price is equal to rupees 90. Marked price is equal to rupees 90. Now what is the sale price? So selling price we have to find 3/4 of marked price. Marked price, that is 90. 3/4 of means multiplication of 90. Okay. Then numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. No cancellation is possible. So 270 by 4. Like 3 into 90, 270 by 4. Now convert into mixed fraction, because it is improper fraction. 270 by 4, denominator is lesser than the numerator. So 67 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means what? Half. 50 rupees, 50 paise. So 67.50 paise. So I'll write rupees 67.50 paise. Very simple. It is, see, marked price written over here 90. Selling price is 3/4 of marked price. So 3/4 multiplied by 90. So 3 by 4. Here 270 by 4. And then convert into mixed fraction like this, using the division method also you can do. Okay. Then find. The answer will be 67.5. Half means what? You have 1 rupee. So half of 1 rupee, that is 50 paise. So 67 rupees and 50 paise. So we'll write 67.50. Question 10. Now the next question that we're going to solve is question 10. See students, a rope is 25 1 by 2 meter long. So length is given over here. The rope, like what is, like it is a rope and it is 2 1 by 2 meter long. How many pieces each of 1 by 2 meter length can be cut out from it? So this is also a mixed fraction. This is a mixed fraction. This divide by this. Next, so this length of a rope is divided by this meter. So the next is, we'll solve total length of the rope is equal to 25 1 by 2 meter. So this is the total length of a rope, 25 1 by 2. So 25 2s are 50 plus 1, 51 by 2 meter long. Length of each piece is equal to 1 1 by 2. So this also mixed fraction, convert into improper. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 2 meter. Now what we have to do, this divide by this, will get each piece. Like for example, have this length of rope. Now I have to cut it into how many parts it will going to divide. Okay. So like we'll write, therefore number of pieces is equal to 51 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. So now divide, we have to convert into multiplication, that is multiplicative inverse. So number will get reciprocal, 2 by 3. 2 cut, like 2 1s are 2 1s are. Okay. 3 1s are 3, here 3 1s are 3, 2 carry, 3 7s are 21. So answer is 17 pieces. Okay. So here first find the total length, that is 51 by 2 meter. Then length of each piece, 3 by 2 meter. So if this divide by this, you will get 17 pieces. Here 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 3 17s are 54. Okay, you will get 17 pieces. Now students, from this 10 question, the remaining questions which we have not done right now, that is your practice sum that you have to do it by yourself. Like for example, second, third, fourth, these are simple sum based on addition. Then 7th, 9th. Okay, so these are the sums that you have to do practice by yourself. That's it for today. Thank you.